I'm Dinaris Karim Edusori. I'm in front of you to introduce about budget. Budget is a statement that contains a focus of revenue and expenditure. Purpose of budget: plan for future, coordination of activities, communication in order to have common goals, motivation, authorization. Budget promote efficient. Budget is an aid to the management. Approaches of budget: top-down approaches budget, participation budget, bottom-up approaches to the budgeting. Function of budget: redistribution of wealth, public policy documents, instrument of accountability, instrument of economics, instrument of budgetary control. Stages of preparing budget: updates budget assumption, available fund, create budget package, issued budget package, obtain revenue forecasting, obtain department budget, updates capital budget request, updates department module. Also review the budget. Essentials of budget: net income tracking, expense categorization, saving and emergency funds, debit management, prioritizing needs and wants. Budgetary control. Budgetary control is a management system that involves planning, monitoring, and controlling an organization's financial resources to ensure actual performance aligns established documented plans. Objective of budgetary control: motivation and responsibilities, cost reduction and control, decision making, coordination of activity, planning and goal setting, performance and evaluation. Budget. Budgetary control, variance analysis, budgetary plan, performance measurement, accountability and transparency. Key fundamentals effective of budget: organizational and structure support, technical and operational aspects, human and communication factors. Importance of budgetary control: enhanced coordination and communication, performance evaluation and accountability, optimal resources allocation, effective cost management, improve planning and goal setting. Between budget and forecast: nature and purpose, time frame, detail level, frequency. Key components of organization for budgetary control: budget committee, budget office, budget manual, budget center, organization chart. Effective organization and control: define objective, establish the budget center, prepare budget, analyze variance. Budgetary control: reliance on estimates and uncertainty features, time consuming and costly, budgetary slack, short-term focus, inflexibility or non-flexible. Communication factors: participation of employees, effective communication, budget education, motivation and rewards. Thank you for your cooperation. Usisahau kusubscribe, kufollow na kulike. Asanteni.